As a Data Productivity Cloud user, you can invoke generative AI to annotate your data pipelines using notes. Notes contextualize each component in your pipeline, enhancing collaboration. You can create an AI note for a single component in a pipeline by right-clicking on a component and clicking Add Note using AI. Or to create an AI note for multiple components in a pipeline, hold the Shift key and click and drag to draw a box around the components to include in the AI note. Then right-click anywhere on the canvas and click Add Note using AI. This will generate a note describing what the components in your pipeline are doing. If this wasn't exactly what you were expecting, you can click the Regenerate button to generate a new version of the AI note. You can resize and move your note to anywhere on the canvas. And when you're happy with your AI note, click Add to add it to the canvas. You can also edit AI notes in the Data Productivity Cloud using Markdown. Once a note has been added, double-click on it, and the raw Markdown will be exposed and can be edited. Standard Markdown formatting applies. For more videos about the Data Productivity Cloud, subscribe to the channel. And for more information on everything covered in this video, please visit the Matillion documentation site.